Hi everybody, happy Wednesday. How is everyone doing? This is Melissa Thorsby, and I am here to cook one of my favorite, we can call it a breakfast, you can call it a sweet treat, but either way it's low carb and it's absolutely delicious. If you're someone that likes creme brulee, you're going to love this recipe. So stay tuned, it's super simple. If you have questions, please drop it below. And say hi when you pop on. I love to hear your questions. I love for you to say hi. Hey Liz, how you doing? So pop on, ask some questions, and we'll get started. Hey Christine. So these are egg custards, okay? Low carb egg custards. People that do the egg fast, which is a fast that you can, someone that's low carb will do sometimes. This is a great recipe for that. So super simple. Right now I've got 3 eggs already broken open, and I'm gonna put it in this bowl here. All right. And then I'm gonna whisk this a little bit. I just like them to be a little more fluffy than dense. So I use one of my hand whisks. You don't have to use this, but it just makes it a little easier. Just a little bit, doesn't have to be a lot. And then we're gonna add in heavy whipping cream. Now, there are so many different recipes on the internet for this. Literally, you could find dozens. This is the one I like. I'm sure there's more. All right, that's good. So I've got 3 eggs in here beaten up. I'm gonna put 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Some call for almond milk. I like this because it makes it thicker. So 2 cups of almond milk, and I'm gonna put that in. And then we're gonna add 1/4 cup of Swerve erythritol. I like erythritol. You can add any low carb sweetener though, monk fruit, stevia. Erythritol, I find that doesn't have that weird aftertaste, okay? It's almost like a cooling, but in this you don't taste anything, just sweetness. Okay, we're gonna whisk that up a little. All right. And then next, I'm gonna add just like a pinch of salt, like a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, or I'm sorry, is this 1 teaspoon? No, it's a 1/2 teaspoon, almost forgot. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, okay? I'm gonna just whisk this all together. And that's it for the ingredients. And then comes how you cook it. I have in my oven preheating at 350 degrees right now. I'm gonna mix this up. And these are gonna make individual little cups. Now, you can use custard cups. I don't have custard cups. So what I am using are silicone muffins, like these. And what I have is that I have it in a baking dish, if you can see that, okay? It's kind of smashed in there. I don't really care if they're still cylinder. And I'm gonna put this in each of these cups, okay? Spoon it in, which I forgot to spoon, so let me grab a spoon real quick. So as we're spooning it in, we're trying to get it, they're not gonna really rise, so you wanna almost fill them up, okay? So I'm gonna do that, and then while I'm doing that, after I'm done doing that, I'm going to take, which I've already heated, I heated this water for about 3 minutes, and I'm gonna fill the baking dish in between the cups so they're kind of sitting in a warm water bath, okay? I won't sit there and fill this while I'm talking to you because it'll take a while. But then you're gonna put it in the oven like that, very carefully without spilling anything. 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. The recipe calls for 30 to 35, but I find 40 minutes is a lot better. You're gonna see that the cinnamon and the vanilla are gonna come to the top, almost making a crunch on the top. It's delicious, like a creme brulee. Let them cool, and then you can serve them with like a low carb syrup, like Lancanto. I like Chalk Zero personally. You can find them on chalkzero.com or Amazon sometimes, but absolutely delicious. I swear to you, you'll love them. I eat about 2 to 3 every time I try them, but they're so good. So I'll show you them when I'm done. Hey Dia, how you doing? Hey Kimmy. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna show you I'll post the recipe below so you have that as well as a picture of the end product, but you won't be sorry if you ever try these egg custards. They're absolutely delicious. All right guys, thank you so much for joining me. Happy Thursday, and if you're not a part of my hot and healthy keto community here on Facebook, pop over to messages and message me and I'll add you to it. It's amazing. I share recipes like this all the time. Thanks again guys for joining me, and I will talk to you soon.